What if I told you the best butter cookie you'll taste this holiday season has only 3 ingredients? And yes, there's a low carb version so good you'll never miss the sugar or the almond flour. Today on the Healthy Skillet, we're making the simplest, purest butter cookies you've ever baked. Just real butter, powdered swerve, and King Arthur keto wheat flour. These cookies melt in your mouth, hold their shape beautifully, and come together in under 10 minutes of prep. And the best part? You can use this base to create endless holiday variations. Let's make a 3 ingredient butter cookie that tastes like you spent hours, without the carbs and without the fuss.
You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching.
And before you go, one last tip. These butter cookies are perfect just as they are. But if you want to dress them up for the holidays, a simple peppermint butter glaze makes an optional finishing touch. If you enjoyed this 3 ingredient butter cookie, low carb option, and want more real ingredient, no nonsense baking, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. It truly helps the Healthy Skillet grow. And don't stop here. Next, go watch the best keto pancake video for another foolproof recipe you'll want to make on repeat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.